Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and I still got this cold thing going on. Can't kick it. Anyway, it is Monday. Welcome to this lovely week. Let's start off with how lovely it is. A couple of things that really. Okay, as I am doing this video blog, really no surprise, stocks are higher. We all know how this played out over the weekend with this supposed big deal that is in the works between China and the U.S. regarding trade. I mean, nothing signed, no specifics, zero. But it is having a positive effect on the stock market, and that is the entire game. Let's put another perspective on this for you, us all, and I am more than certain you're aware of this, but allow me to just vent a little bit here. So, the charade. Let's start with the charade. All began with Mnuchin. I can't even say this man's name. I don't want to say his name. He makes me sick. Part of the whole crew of liars. Meeting with 6 of the world's largest banks, which just happened to be on Wall Street. President Trump issues his buy recommendation, and stocks just, miraculously vault almost 1,100 points higher. Okay, all well and good here, but I want you to think about this. And I know you get it and you know this already, but how do the upper management of the corporations get paid? Well, they get paid in stock, and their year-end bonuses are based on where the stock ends the year. So I would have to take my hat off to the President of the United States and Treasury Secretary Mnuchin for playing the game and making sure that Wall Street got their much anticipated Santa Claus rally here. Beautiful thing. Again, this is how Wall Street makes money. And after the new year, who knows what will happen. But again, they are really counting on getting this extra cash, for the year end and that big fat bonus. And then we get this other story floated out here, which right now has no bearing on reality as far as I'm concerned, because I still cannot find any evidence that there's any signed agreement. There's been nothing that's actually been even probably written down. But look at the effect of just floating out this story. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are higher. Oh, I can promise you, CEOs, upper management of these Wall Street firms, oh, they're loving this. And how about the other part of it? The other part is how the middle class always loses. And how is that happening? Well, our representatives who are supposed to be, controlling things around here. Well, they control things all right, because our government shut down. They're all getting paid. They're on vacation. They're enjoying themselves. Well, the government is shut down. And there are many people right now who are being furloughed, who are being forced to work without pay. I hope you're not one of these people. So again, the middle class always loses in this rigged game, and it does not matter who sits in that pretty White House. It's disgusting. It's freaking horrible. But that's the way it is. It's the truth. And again, one more time, I want to just give a really big shout out here to the President of the United States and Treasury Secretary Mnuchin for pulling off this game on the American people, making them really think that something else is going on here, when all this is a mechanism to make sure that Wall Street gets a big, fat year-end bonus. It's too funny. It really is. This is the truth. This is how it works. And if you consider this bashing the president, well, good. You're one of the blind. And if you understand where this is going, you can see as clear as I can. My hat's off to you as well, because you don't have your head in the sand or up your you-know-what. All right, with that said, let's watch this play out here. It's so interesting. It really is. That yield curve continues to flatten out. cash going into the bond market. Ignore that. Don't worry about it. Because the CEOs and the upper management of Wall Street, they're all doing cartwheels around the office. And today, New Year's Eve, could you imagine the party they're all going to be having over this? Although, stocks are still several thousand points off of their high. But a lot less damage than it would have been. They're all going to get a bigger bonus than they would have gotten had we not had this charade playing on every one of us. See you later.